The resting phase, as tempting as it is to dive in, resting is non-negotiable. Cutting too soon lets the juices escape, leaving you with a dry steak. 5 to 10 minutes is all it takes. During this time, the juices redistribute evenly, ensuring every bite is as juicy as the last. And finally, the first slice. The knife glides through effortlessly. The center is blushing pink, exactly as it should be. Juices shimmer on the surface. The crust crackles slightly under the blade. It's perfect. The first bite. A piece is lifted, inspected, admired. The anticipation builds. Then, the moment of truth, the first bite. A deep, savory richness floods the palate. The buttery, herb-infused crust. The soft, juicy interior. The contrast between crisp and tender. It's beyond satisfying. It's an experience. The kind of steak that doesn't just taste good but feels good to eat. Why this method works so well, the science behind it is simple but brilliant. The deep sear locks in flavor, while the butter basting adds layers of richness. The resting period ensures every bite is moist and tender. It's a process that turns a simple cut of meat into something extraordinary. Steak variations and customization. For those who love a little adventure, there are plenty of ways to customize the experience. Reverse searing. Instead of starting in the pan, the steak is slow cooked in the oven first, then finished with a blazing hot sear. The result: unbelievably even doneness with a perfectly crisp crust. Smoking. A low and slow session in a smoker before searing takes flavor to the next level. That hint of smokiness elevates every bite. Compound butter. Instead of plain butter, a mixture of butter, garlic, herbs, and even blue cheese can add an extra punch of flavor. Cooking steak isn't just about eating, it's about the experience. The ritual, the process, the patience, the reward. It's the sound of the sizzle, the aroma of butter and garlic, the sight of that golden crust forming before your eyes. The way the knife slides through like silk.